Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about what is meant by hierarchical inheritance. A hierarchical inheritance is an inheritance in which a parent is inherited by multiple childs. Okay, it is opposite to the multiple inheritance. Fine. See here, there's a base class which is inherited by derived class 1, derived class 2 and derived class 3. So be careful when you are putting the arrow mark in this diagram. Always the arrow mark points towards the parent, not towards the child. Okay, that is the main point when we are drawing the diagram for the inheritance. Now, what are the real-time examples of this hierarchical inheritance? Just assume that we have a class called car, and there may be various types of cars like it is a fuel tank, it is a electric, it is a hydrogen. Fine. So these three are the child class while car is the parent class. Okay, clear? So this is the best example for hierarchical inheritance. Now let us see the another example. See here, I have a class called animal. Inside that I can inherit dog, cat and cow. Fine. See here, class animal. Inside that I have a constructor in which I am assigning the name variable. Then I have a member function info. Inside that I am an animal named something in the name. Fine. Now class dog of animal. So dog is inherit the animal. Dog inherits the animal class. Okay. Now def sound. Okay, this is the member function. Now return woof. Fine. Now class cat of animal. Inside that I have the same member function. Inside that I am returning meow. Another class cow. Inside that I have a which inherits the animal class. Inside that I have a member function called sound, and I am just returning moo. Now I am creating an object dog for the class dog. See here, it is small. It is a small letter and it is a capital letter. So it is a lowercase. This D is lowercase and this D is uppercase. So Python is case sensitive. So this is the object and this is the class. Fine. Now whenever we create the object, the constructor will invoke. The constructor will get invoked. So whether dog have the constructor? No. Then what is the parent of dog? This animal. Whether animal have a constructor? Yes. So animal have a constructor in which we will assign the name. Fine. This will be same applicable for this cat and cow. Now we can use the pictorial representation to understand it in better way. Just see here. Fine. Now first I have a object dog, then I have a object cat, then I have a object cow. Now inside this dog I have a name variable. Inside this name I have buddy. Inside this I have buddy. Here also in cat I have a name data member. Inside that I have whiskers. Okay. Now inside this cow I have a name data member. Inside that I have what? Daisy. Fine. This is what till now. Now see here, everyone have another member function called sound. So they everyone have another member function called sound. Fine. But the animal class has a member function which these three don't have. What is that? Info. Fine. Info. So these three classes inherited animal class. So this info also there in these three classes, right? So these three objects can access this info. So this info is common to these three classes. So this info can be accessed by these three objects, right? Now coming back to the code. These are executed successfully. Dog.info, cat.info, cow.info. What are the output? First, I am an animal named Buddy. First output, I am animal named Buddy. Now, for cat, I am an animal named Whiskers. For cow, I am an animal named what? Daisy. Fine. Now, print dog.soundoff. Okay. What it will return? It will return woof. Okay. Then print cat.soundoff. It will return meow. Print cow.soundoff. It will return moo. Fine. The output is I am animal named Buddy. I am animal named Whiskers. I am animal named Daisy. Woof, meow, moo. Fine. This is how the hierarchical inheritance works. Thank you.